In this video, you'll learn how to make money using CPA marketing. CPA marketing is the most simple form of affiliate marketing and can be set up extremely quickly. Let me know in the comments what method you want me to do a video on next. First, we need to find an offer. There are a couple big websites that have different offers. The one we're going to be using for this example is called CPA Grip. The great thing about this specific method is that we don't need to have a large following on any social media, we don't need to spend money on ads, and we don't even need to use our own website. So now over on CPA Grip, I want you to then head up to the right hand corner and either log in or register. This is a completely free account. Then once you've signed up, this is then what your dashboard is going to look like. To find all of our offers, we want to then go to Offer Tools, then My Offers. So this here is now all the offers, the current up-to-date ones that are available to promote. Let me quickly explain to you how these offers work, as they might seem slightly strange as they're offering kind of prizes for people. So let's say we're using this example here. This says it gives you a £500 gift card to spend at Deliveroo. So this is then given out through Lucky Draw. So what this company will be doing is collecting emails from all over the world, or if they have specifically made it to a single country, then it would be just from there. Then from there, they'll pick one email out of all the submits and give them the £500. So how do they exactly make money from this? Basically, they'll use all the collected emails that they've got to either upsell them on products or send affiliate offers to, and then in the process, they'll be making way more than they've actually given away. And this is thousands more as well. Then what this CPA Grip website is for is so both the company giving out the offer and us as marketers can make money. And then obviously whoever wins will actually get the money as well. So it's kind of a win-win. The company are going to be making money through their back-end email lists, and then we'll be getting paid $2 for each email submit and so on. I know this doesn't seem like too much money from each sign up, but that's not the point with CPA marketing. If you find the right strategy, you can get these small payments to add up to hundreds each day. The website I'll go over in a second, which was going to be used to promote these offers, can do just that, as well as making us more money in the process. So not only will you be getting CPA money, you'll be also getting paid by the very website generating your offer traffic. So to find the right offer, you want to search for country first. You can do this through this drop down here. You'll find that the US has some of the highest paying offers, so it's normally best to search there. Or if you just use some of the bigger countries for ads like UK, Australia or Canada or anything like that. So for now, what I'll do, I'll search for the United Kingdom, as that's where the website that I'm going to be promoting it on has a lot of traffic from. So it just kind of makes sense. And then say we come down now and we pick this one here, and then I've just searched through highest payout, and then say we pick this one here, which gives us £500 to spend at North Face. To then get our affiliate link, we then have to click on this. This is then going to bring up this page, and then to get our affiliate link, this is this one. So all we have to do is press copy link. And this link here is then going to be leading to the landing page where someone can then enter their name and email. And then from there, as soon as they do that, you'll make $2. This is why this method is so powerful, as it's very simple for someone to do and very easy for you to get paid at the same time. There's very little the lead needs to do other than sending their email in, and then that means you get the payout. If I now show you the website, that's going to be the place where you can promote this offer and make money from it as well. It's called Steemit. You'll see that you can post articles based on how popular they are and also when they were posted, and these people are getting paid for these posts as well. So the more popular the article, the more traffic it will receive, and this obviously then means the more you're going to get paid by the company. On top of that, this increases your traffic, which will obviously then lead to you making more email submits, which will in turn make you even more money. This then means you're going to be utilizing both these websites and making money on both of them. Some of them are obviously in a different language, but this one here was then posted 6 days ago. They've made over $200. This English written one is then posted 6 days ago and has over $100. This other one here, $115, only posted yesterday. So now by using these websites, we can make money both ways. If you find the right article and the right offer, this can bring in a good amount of traffic and then money each day. So to get started, you need to sign up to this website. Again, it's another free website, so that doesn't matter. You don't have to pay any money. Then once you've logged in, you'll be able to make articles that look like this. Let me just show you this one as an example. They aren't hugely descriptive. Some of them won't even have to write out a full blog post or anything like that. As you can see, this one's pretty much just images and they lead to the links of the photos. And as well as this, I'll show you a different way that you can actually do this without even writing a single thing. So say we actually wanted to do this method and then we obviously wanted to write out our own article, all we would need to do is head over to a website called WriteSonic. This website can fully automate the process for you, so you don't have to spend hours writing these articles. Then all you have to do is then press sign in. Again, you can do this for absolutely free. They go through each of the steps. You can do the get ideas, get an intro, get an outline, and then finish the article. Then once you've signed in, click article writer, and then it's going to bring you in to the editor. And this is where we can then fill out all the relevant information with just a little bit of writing here, and it will give us the article on the right. So for the topic, let's write something that's obviously related to our offer. So as it's a gift card for a company and they're then giving away money to spend, let's write out something like companies giving away free money. And then as it's a gift card, this title is probably one of the best. Free money, the top 10 places to get free cash, gifts and discounts. So if we click that, and then the next few steps are going to give you a intro, an outline, and then your article. So these are all preferable to you, so pick whatever ones you want and whatever one you think will make the article more interesting to read. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for future money making methods.